Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your account is active and assigned a dashboard role. That prevents permission errors later. Once done, open the recommended browser, Chrome or Edge, and clear a single tab session to avoid cached redirects. Make sure you have your organization ID, username, and 2FA method available because the login flow uses multi-factor prompts. Now navigate to the Xcent sign-in page and enter your organization ID. This primes the session and directs you to the correct tenant rather than a generic portal. After entering credentials, complete the authentication flow and approve the 2FA request promptly to avoid session timeouts. Delays often force a restart. Once authenticated, check for a tenant or organization selector and choose the one matching your org ID so you load the right dataset. Next, use the top navigation or app launcher icon to open the dashboard. This loads dashboard widgets and permissions. Make sure you wait for all widgets to finish loading before interacting, so queries don't run against partial state. To finish, confirm essential widgets such as system status, reports, and alerts display without errors. This validates backend connectivity. Then set your preferred filters and time range, and save the dashboard view so next access restores your context. If a widget shows an error or you see a permission message, first reload the page. If that fails, clear the browser cache or open a private window to rule out stale sessions. If issues persist, contact your admin with a screenshot and the exact error text.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.